Well, how's it going today there, YouTube? Well, I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but it's raining outside, and I got a quick little video here for you guys. Now, as most of you guys know, I buy these sandbox toys, and I restore and make custom toys out of them and whatnot, but when you do enough of these restorations, you get quite the, I guess, collection of wheels here and whatnot, because obviously I always put brand new wheels and tires on everything I do, or I want to do something custom with it anyway, so anyway, you get something like this. See, it's got a little bit of overspray on it and it's full of sand and dirt and whatnot. I figure, well, there's that John Deere free auction site out there, and I figured I'm going to clean the wheels up here a little bit just quickly, and I'm going to put an auction up there. So I've already got a little bath going on here, so I figured I'd just kind of show you guys a quick little way just to clean these tires up, and even if you guys want to reuse them on your toys. So anyway, I guess first things first, you just take your wheel and you plunk it down in your bucket of water there and let that soak for a little bit. So I'm going to use the vise for this one. I know this kind of hold it in my hand because I don't want to put the vise teeth print inside the tires or whatnot, so just kind of lightly hold the vise. So I'm going to do it for the video shoot anyway. Just kind of take a wire brush and just kind of lightly give it a scrub, because obviously mud washed off with water, so not very difficult to figure out, but I thought I'd show you guys a quick little tip here. Plus the wire brush makes things pretty quick, so just kind of go in there and clean the wheel up real quick. You gotta go in there like you're working on a truck skid plate or something like that. This is just plastic, so just the little lightest touch is all you really need. So do the face of the rim here. I'll just do this quickly for a demonstration. So I've got quite a few wheels left to do. Did some last night. Just take kind of clean these up. So I find if you're gonna sell something, if you get it all cleaned up and whatnot, it makes it a little bit easier to sell. Nobody wants to buy something that's rotten and dirty looking and whatnot. So yeah, take a little bit of time and clean her up. Anyway, I'll show you guys the end result here in a minute. I got my wheel all scrubbed up here. I was taking, I'll put that down in the bucket of water there and give it a little bit of a rinse. You see how nice that turned up already? I gotta do the backside still, but I just want to do a little comparison. But anyway, I'll wipe it off and I'll show you guys the end result. In just a few short minutes, here's what you got. The BI wheel and a few more tires there. Extra rim. I think I've got a tire to go on this rim actually. I'll have to find it. If any of you guys have been following my channel, these are the 50/20 tires back here. You might remember how dirty those were, but they cleaned up good. And the 50/20 front's cleaned up kind of nice. So I think that's actually a metal washer in there. So yeah, in just a short time, we got everything all cleaned up, and I'm gonna go list this thing for sale. If any of you guys like that quick little video, please comment, rate, subscribe as always. Thanks for watching.